99 pence. Good morning, everyone. So, kape muna tayo, guys. Magsi 7:30 pa lang. So, by the way, may plant ako dito sa likod. Nabili ko to sa Lido. Mataas siya, oh. 16 pounds. Pakita ko nga. Pero kailangan ko pa ng lalagyan kasi hindi ko mahanap yung dun sa garahe namin. Ito siya, oh. Yan. 16 pounds. Ito yung sinabi kong bibilhin ko sana last time, tapos naubos. So, buti na lang nakita ni mother-in-law nung pumunta kami. Kaya sabi niya, bilhin mo na or else maubos na naman. So, yeah. Magkape muna ako kasi may work ako ng 10 to 5:30. January 30 today. Si Kira nasa party pero gising na siya. Okay. Ayusin ko na lang yung aking buhok. Hindi ako nag-shower kasi, di ba, hindi ako laging nag-shower. Nakakasira ng buhok. Baka bukas na ako magbasa ng buhok mga bukas ng gabi. Kasi may work na naman ako bukas. Mamaya ko na yan suklayin. Maaga pa naman. 9 pa lang. So mag-vacuum muna ako ng sahig. Ganun. Yan ko muna yan. So, nag-lip tint lang ako. Ito yung kay Anakay. Wala na siyang laman. Hindi pa ako kumain. Kakain ako ng rice. Tapos, gumawa ako ng sandwich kanina. Pang lunch ko sa work. Yeah. Yan lang siya. Okay, magkita na lang tayo sa work. Ayusin ko itong buhok ko eh.
In our small house on a hill, we chase dreams with no chill. Laughter echoes down the hall. Love's the biggest, never small. My little family, we've got it all. Through the highs and through the falls, hand in hand, we walk the line. In this life, you're always mine.
On the way na ako ngayon sa work. Ganda ng panahon. Sun is out. Maingay sa labas kasi parang may ginawa sa ano ba? Narinig mo ba sa labas? Ingay. Ay, lamig. Ito yung baon ko sa fridge. lamig. Yung gloves ko. Nag-gloves ako dun sa baba. Okay. I'll see you na lang later pag nag-break time. Siguro mga half one. Lunch time po. Okay. Bye-bye! Ha, grabe ang lamig. Anong oras na? 5:37 na. So, wala dito si Dave na sa swimming ni Kira. So, ako yung magluluto tonight. Last week kasi ako yung nasa swimming, kaya nagpalit kami. So, kasi gusto niyo makita si Kira this week. Anyway, nagluto ako ng rice kaninang umaga. Gusto ko sanang mag-rice ngayon, pero wala na akong time magluto ba ng ulam. So, mag-air fry na lang ako ng madali ang pagkain. Kasi for sure, si Kira, gutom na din yun sa swimming. Tapon ko muna itong binili ito ni Dave sa akin last week. Wala na. Tapon ko. Hello. Bye. Yung dentist yun ni Kira. Kasi may appointment si Kira bukas. So, maglagay lang ako ng check. Pag wala na talaga, pag ganitong mga 5:30 na ako matatapos, mabilisan lang yung ginagawa kong pagkain. Baked beans. Okay. Gutom na ko. Gutom na ang person. Hindi lang yung natira para hindi maubos. Para na-over ata. Oh yeah? How's your sleep?
Last week was like 7.
And today, a show.
Yeah.
83. Oh, she's on 83 points now. So you're nearly 100. That means if she's 100, she can go to the big one.
Oh, yeah, it's a couple of times done. Yeah, that's absolutely perfect.
Who said?
DJ.
Well done. Well done, Bob. I'm really hungry, dude. Kasi yung ginawa kong sandwich kanina sa work, maliit lang, kaya nabuto ko. Hindi kasi ako nag-vlog kanina sa lunch. Pero kunti lang talaga yung lunch ko. Kaya pumunta ako sa Tesco kanina. Bumili ako ng donut. Hindi ko naubos yung donut. Binigay ko sa kawork ko. Okay. Gutom na ang lahat.
Well, change the SIM card over, Kira.
Hindi yan kakainin ni Kira yung beans eh. Ewan ko. Right, dinner time now. Oh, bisuro.
There is another way to do it, there's a pain in the arse.
So what? This is for Kira.
Oh.
No. Okay, kain muna kami guys. Kain tayo. Gutom na talaga ako. No joke. Chill na tayo. 8:20 na ng gabi. Nag-ano si Dib sa akin ng tawag dito, yung mainit pa na tubig. Kasi meron kasi ako, parang kanina, very uncomfortable ako sa
This
work.
with a stick, Mom.
Yeah.
So don't worry.
Kala ko nga kanina hindi ako papasok sa work. I have something to tell you about work. Last week.
Let me listen.
Yeah. So last week, there is a customer. I was in the middle of doing the helium. So she came to me. I think she's about 70s. So she came to me with 3 cards. So while I was scanning, while I was in the middle of doing the balloons, and I said to her, "Give me a second. I'm just gonna do this one because the customer is coming in a minute, and then I need to do the balloons because it's for 50th birthday." Customer came to me. I said, "Okay, I can scan it for you while I was doing the balloon." And then she said to me, "Oh, can you please take the price tags off?" And I was like, "Just give me a second." And she said, "I heard." She said to me, "I heard." So because I said it twice, the customer is coming in a minute to collect these balloons. Just give me a second, I will do it. She said, "I heard." She said it twice to me. And then after I done the price tags for her, and she said, "It's not perfect."
Tap piss off.
Yeah, she said to me, "It's not perfect." Like,
There's a
Anna-
car shop across the road.
yeah, so I said to her, "I'm really sorry, but that's the only thing I can do."
Yeah.
And she said, "I don't know why you guys put the tags on the front and not on the back." And I said, "It's not really our problem.
Doesn't
We're
really
not
matter, does it?
doing we're not doing the cards."
Doesn't matter.
And
Sweet
the funny thing, do you know how much?
£1.50.
29 pence.
That's why, because she doesn't want anyone to know how tight she is.
Ay, nakakatawa. Yeah, grabe talaga.
Oh, why?
Maldita talaga yung customer na yun. Natawa ako eh. Tag 29 pence lang naman yung binili
Why
niyang
is this doing
cards.
this?
Yeah, so yeah, yun lang naman guys. So nakwento ko lang kasi nga last week hindi ako nag-vlog, so nakakatawa lang siya. Kala naman niya mahal yung binili niyang cards. Yun pala, tag 29 pence lang. So anyway, end ko na dito yung vlog. Nandito si Kira sa baba, nag-drawing siya. Si Dave, nanood na ng video. So ako din, mag-edit na ako ng video para ma-upload ko na siya bukas. So yeah. So thank you so much guys for
Why is
watching.
this doing this?
Bye-bye.